I'm gonna yell it. I'm gonna do it.
You yell?
Quiet on set! Welcome to Pure Octane Garage.
So Ryan, today we're gonna play around with the foam cannon because there ain't no party like a foam cannon party. We use it all the time, so why not try to improve upon it if we can? See how it works? Beautiful.
And it works pretty well.
Yeah. This is the Amazon $15 foam cannon, so not a super pricey one, quite a great deal actually, and it works really, really well for us. What we've been watching, a lot of YouTube videos on basically modifying this, and we love to modify things, so why not try it out and see if it actually works. What we're going to modify is, you want to tell them, Ryan?
The orifice, the opening inside the foam cannon head.
The theory is that we are going to produce more foam with this insert. We do know this insert, which is also from Amazon. They're about $8-9 on Amazon. Has a smaller orifice of 1.1 millimeters, and this should have the larger orifice, and we'll be sure to show you that as we take this apart and compare them. But we are going to change that out, do a little test with our foam shampoo so you guys can see the differences. So, fun stuff to come here. We're going to get this, go do a test with this, then we'll come in, break it down, change it out, make sure you get to see all of that so you can see the variables. We'll be using the same foam shampoo that we use all the time. We're going to use that in the foam gun, and the foam cannon. Excuse me, not a gun. This is the cannon. And so
There's a difference.
This is an inexpensive way to get more foam from our electric pressure washer, which is not as heavy duty, obviously, as a gas pressure washer. And should give us, hopefully give us the results we're looking for with a little more thicker foam. Be sure to let us know what you think of what you see, and we'll let you know what we think too. All right, let's get started. All right, so we're out here. We're gonna get this foam tanning.
Foam, yeah, for tanning. It's tanning foam.
Yeah, you know, that foam cannon test. So we're gonna rinse off our test hood here. We're gonna use that as our subject. So Ryan, go ahead and rinse that sucker off. I want to show you guys what we're gonna do first. This is the original insert that comes with your Amazon foam cannon, $15, remember? And we're gonna put in about an ounce of soap. So let's do that.
So this is the larger opening, correct?
Correct.
Okay.
All right, so our original insert, the larger orifice. Let's check our foaming ability.
The foam results.
Foam it up. All right, checking the lather.
Pretty decent. You can see kind of it'd be nice if it was a little thicker. So hopefully this smaller
What's up? No.
hopefully the smaller opening will actually cause more
Suds, more foam, more that thick lather that everybody wants.
Lathery goodness.
But as you can see, this is more of a milky lather. It works, does its job, but a little milky.
So first we'll want to remove the quick connector, 5/8 inch wrench. Take that off to access the orifice. I said orifice. And as you can see, it's down inside. Then you take a flat blade screwdriver. This is going to be hard to see in there. Take that out. Oops. A little bit more. As you can see, it's the first time I've ever done this. Here's the old one, which is it's got the larger opening. Not really sure what size this is. I don't know if we can see that on camera or not. And when you put the new one in, you want to make sure that you don't cross thread it. You don't want to ruin the foam cannon head. Get it in there nice and level. Just make sure. It does not make good video. If my arm's in the way. You just want to snug the orifice in. You don't have to over tighten that. Then you put the quick connector back on and make sure it still has the O-ring on it. You don't want any leaks. And just gently snug it a little bit. And that's pretty much it. It's ready to go. Just reassemble everything else. Put the hose back on, and then it would just go into your foam cannon as normal. So that's pretty much it. It's that simple.
This is our 1.1 insert, the modification, the smaller orifice. We'll see if it's going to give us bigger foam.
Yeah, let's see if this...
Big expectations here.
Exactly.
All right. Not going to lie, immediately I saw more foam.
I agree. I
But
agree.
It's not drastic.
It's not drastic.
It's
But
better. Initially, I see more suds.
I do see a little bit of a difference. So I don't know if it's...
The biggest difference is going to actually come from your pressure washer. This is a 1.2 gallon per minute. What we understand is the higher gallon per minute, the more foam you're going to get. But for now, this is what we use. Yeah, I just see a little thicker milky lather is what I would say. Not 100% sure it's worth the expense. I mean, it's not expensive. It's $8.
$8.
If that works for you.
You know, I mean, for $8, I think it's
not hurting.
Yeah. It's definitely better than it was.
Yeah.
Slight.
So if you want a slight improvement without buying an expensive foam cannon or upgrading your pressure washer in the meantime, this could be the way to go. All right, so that concludes our little unscientific experiment.
Yeah.
What do you think, Ryan? Like we said earlier in the video, we saw a little bit of difference.
I did see a little bit of a difference, and for $8, you know, it's not a bad deal. Should you do this? You probably don't really need to.
I don't think it's going to change your washing drastically, you know.
But you know, that little bit of difference, and it only being $8,
It's worth a try.
Not too bad.
Yeah.
And it's super easy to do. So
Yeah. If you like modifying, it's something to modify and takes like 3 minutes.
super easy.
Yeah. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed that little experiment we just did, and feel free to tell us what you guys think. If you guys have done this, tell us your results.
Yeah, let us know. Or if you have any other ideas for products to compare or review, let us know down in the comments.
Yeah. And if we left anything out of the video you have questions on, feel free. Hey, you know, sometimes we're human. We leave stuff out, but I think we covered everything.
Yeah.
And if you have questions about the details, let us know.
Let us know.
Put it in there.
And don't forget to like and subscribe. Tell your friends.
Yeah.
We're trying to build this channel and to help everybody out. So
Thanks, guys. See you next time.
later.
That was fun.
Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh.
I get in chemical war?
Wow. It's like a rooster tail there.
And that's how you use an extra product.
Yeah, that's how you waste product. You shoot it over the car.
I would never do this to someone's car, by the way.
That's the beauty of the test hood. You know, use and abuse.